So tasty. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be doing for you a mango banana smoothie with nuts. Okay, so before I go into the video, remember to like, share and comment. Tell me what you think about my videos so far, and guys, remember to subscribe. Don't leave if you are not a subscriber, don't leave until you subscribe. Okay, and remember to turn on notifications so that you will be the first one to know when I drop a new video. Okay guys, thank you so much. So let's get right into this video. Guys. So I have here a banana, some mango strawberry blend, I have some mixed nuts with raisin, and I have yogurt, right? I just buy this container. It's low fat yogurt, okay? And I have my bullets, so I'm gonna get started. But guys, guess what I'm gonna use as the liquid? Coconut water, okay? So let's get started. So I'm gonna be using coconut water, guys. This is the brand I'm using this time going. Alright, so you know I'm not going to use all of this, but I'm gonna use. So let's get started. So I'm gonna add the banana to the blender, or rather the bullet. And all these are frozen. So in this I have mango, strawberry, and pineapple, and whole strawberry. Zero added sugar, lemon. So I'm gonna add some of this to the blender. Okay. Let's put this aside. So I'm gonna add the nuts. So in this we have, guys, you don't have to add any nuts if you don't want to, but in this we have various nuts. We have flower seed, we have chia seed, we have also raisin, some seed that I'm not really familiar with, but they taste good. Alright, so I'm gonna add some of this to it. Okay, so mixed nuts. I'm gonna add some yogurt. And this yogurt tastes really good. Really good, guys. It's vanilla. It tastes really good. So I'm gonna add the coconut water now. Some of my followers will like this one because they prefer to use when I use the coconut water to make it. Yeah, Penny, I know Penny will like this one. Okay. Guys, look at this beautiful color. So beautiful, so pretty, so delicate. Look at it. So beautiful. So beautiful, guys. So let me glass this. Wow. Wow, wow, just wow. Look at it, guys. Let me taste it for you now. Divine, guys. This one, so nice. Heavenly. It's so nice, guys. The strawberry, the mango, the pineapple, the banana, the nuts, the yogurt, and the coconut water. That's basically what I use. So nice, so good. Yes, guys, I am recommending that you go ahead and try this smoothie. You are going to love it. You won't regret it. Okay? So nice. My banana, mango, nut smoothie. Yeah? Really good. So go ahead and try it, guys. You will love it. So remember to follow me on all social. Remember to like, share, and comment on my videos. Remember to share with your families. Okay, guys? So until my next video, bye.